Now we are going to see modified collaborative coefficiency. So MCC. This formula is introduced by Kiran Savanur and R. Srikant. In his paper, Modified Collaborative Coefficiency, a new measure for quantifying degree of research collaboration in scientometrics, it was published. So he gave his explanation in this paper also. So this is based on that of Isolo Aji Farooq and K. Burrell and Jean Tag of the CC. So the average credit awarded of the each of the random paper, the modified collaborative coefficiency. This is the formula. This one is, for example, I have given. Now we can go to how to get it for the data. So now I am opening my folder. I am creating one folder in the name of MCC, I mean modified collaborative coefficiency. For that sake only, so I copied the txt2 file in the MCC. Then I am opening the web Excel. My file name is MCC. Then txt2 file open. So, for example, we are in need authorship pattern, single author, two author, three author, four author, like this. In addition to that, year of publication also. So, for that sake only, then I maximize my window in the web Excel, my web Excel window. Then I am need of the AU author. Then MISC, convert to dialog format, verbose science, plain text. Okay. No, we are no need for the DOI number. So give no. Then what is the result? The result is the DOC file. Yes, we got it. So DOC file, one straight line will be there at the end of the record. One double straight line will be there. See, end of the record. Okay. Then select the DOC file, view file. Then authors may be many. So year of publication and language will be the one. For that sake only we will select the whole field intact. Now author may be many. So any separated field, preb, okay, no. The result is the OUT file. So, OUT file. Okay. So, here see how many authors produced. So, first record produced by one minute. First record is contribution of 22 authors contributed. First record. Then second record 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 records. 7 authors contributed second record. Like this only we are in need. So select the OUT file. Select the OUT file, view file. For each and every time you should view it. Then analysis, units per record. Then okay. Yes. Now we got two files, MUL extension file and MUT extension file. This one is the MUL, one author, two author, three author, authorship pattern. Now here you can get it. Now in the MUL file, view file, here only see, yes, it's correct. So Wally person and his team is a very, very great, dedicated and further research scholars. So we should thanks to him. So first record 22, second record 27 authors contributed. Then third record, first record contributed by 22 authors. Second record contributed by 7 authors. Third record, like this we can. Okay, now we are in need of the year of publication also. For this work only we are in need of, we are in the old tag, type PY. Okay, add fields to units. Then okay, you should give Okay. No. Then here see how great. So if the field is not available in the PY field, means can I take it in the JN field? Okay, allow them. Yes. Yes. Great. Then now we got the JN1 file. Okay. Leave it here itself. Then first record 22 authors in 2020. Second record 7 authors 2017. Okay. Leave it here itself. And I'm going to open my MCC JN1 file in one notepad or wordpad, whatever you want, you can do it. Open it. Then Control A, Control C. Then open the Excel sheet. I am going to open in the new sheet. I am selecting A2 column. Paste it. Please check it. Shift Control down arrow. Control down arrow if click means you can go to the last record. Okay, right. All the records are copied. Okay, right. Go to home. Okay, then you should fill it in the, this one is the record. Then this one is the, authors year. Okay. Then I am going to the select Control Shift Control down arrow. Okay, now all the records are copied. Then Control C plus Control C plus Control C. By that only the selection dot will come. Control C. Then insert pivot table. We copied all the JN1 file in the new worksheet. Pivot table. Okay, pivot table. So if you are familiar means in the existing worksheet you can give the column, but I am not such familiar, so I am going to open in the new worksheet. That is your own will and wish. So select the new worksheet. Okay. Okay. Now we are in here. So here in the pivot table you should put the authors in the column. Okay. Year in the rows. Authors in the column, years in the rows. Then records. Records in the value. Here it is more important. In the value field, even combo box will be there. Each and everywhere one filter box will be there. Here in the value field setting, we should select count. By that only it will show how many records. Here they see in 2013 265 records. Total number of the productions. Then 2014 just like that. Then here first author, single author 7. 2 authors 30. 3 authors 46. 4 authors 52. Like this only. Okay. Then here I have copied this. Control C. Then already I had done it, this one. Then I am going to paste it. Yes, the same thing only I had done it. Then 2013, just like that. Then up to 13 I had taken. 13, then this one is more than 13. Okay, I copied this one. Up to 13, 2000, I copied there, then balance 6. Then I filled all the columns. I am left in the 2023 because the records is in the middle of the 2020-23 only that data was downloaded. So I will delete it. 22. Up to 22 I had taken the record. So this one is the I already filled. Then this one up to this one we should fill it. Okay. Here modified Kiran Savanur and K. Srikanth. introduced the MCC, modified collaborative coefficient. Some slight difference will be there between the CC and collaborative coefficient and modified collaborative. According to sir, his papers also good. So they are also published their article in the Scientometrics, Isolo, Gifferick and Q Beryl and Jean Tarek. So 1988 itself they published the collaborative coefficient in the Scientometrics. So if the single author means the credit is the one. If there is the two joint author means they received two authors, 1/2. So the two authors received both credit. So they divided 1/2. So on the basis n authors gets 1 by n. So the average credit awarded of the each authors of the random papers is the modified collaborative coefficient. So what is the formula? N divided by n minus 1. Then F1 plus 1/2, F2, 1/3, F3, just like that of it will goes on. So before that we should give the minus for the formula and minus 1 minus. So here for example 2013. So 2013 I am going to give. So in the year total number of publications how much? 265. 265 minus 265 divided by 265 minus 1. Okay, then this one is the here if you click here means yes, this one 1C7 is the this single authors in plus 1/2. 1/2 means here 1/2 means joint author, two authors, this into 30. So here like that of up to C37. C37 this one C37. So P37, sorry, this one is the P37. This one is the formula. Here I am giving the explanations. What I had calculated. 1 into 7, 1. Plus 1/2 is the 30. So here I copied all these numbers here itself also. Then divided by 265. So here this one is this result is the 69.38. Okay, 69.38. Then my 1 minus, so 265 divided by 265 minus 1 into 1 minus 6938 divided by 265. Then here this one is the 0.2. So divided by 69.38 divided by 265 is the next step I had given. This one is the given. Sorry, this one 1 minus this one 0 to 65. This result. Okay. This and this divided by this and this result is the 0 to 68. Okay. This one here, this one divided by this one. R37 with this one. Then R37 divided by Q37. This one is the results. Okay. Then this one. Here 265. Then 265 minus 1. The 264. Then 265 minus 264 is this one. Then here I got the N1 field also. So by that only our formula, our calculation will be easy for us. So I am giving 1 minus N minus 1. N which one? 265. Here I am giving the N minus 1. So here if you drag means you can get this one. Then this one, then in addition to that CC 1 minus 0 to 6 181. This one is the result. Then 1 minus 0.26181. This one is the result. CC means collaborative coefficient. Here 1 minus S57. 1 minus S37. 1 minus S37. Here is the result. 1 minus S37. I mean 1 minus. So up to CC already we had seen. Up to CC no problem. Then here Only one step only we had added here. MC for the year MCC for 2013. This one is the result. 265 divided by 264. This one is the result. So 265 divided by 264. This one is the result. N divided by n minus. This one is the n. Here I am giving the number n. Okay. N. N this one divided by n1, n minus 1. So this one result. Then what is the result? 1.00379, this one. And into this one, 073, this one, CC, 073819. Then we got the results of MCC, modified collaborative coefficiency. Then this one, 0740099, 0740099. There is the slight difference between the CC and MCC, though the author gets somewhat more credit compared to the CC. Okay. So this MCC, modified collaborative coefficiency, introduced by Kiran Savanur and R. Srikanth. For me, modified collaborative coefficiency and collaborative coefficiency, all these formula are introduced by Dr. Ramsamy, librarian of M.V. Muttaya Government College for the Women, Dindigul. So I should thanks to me. He only gave me the idea of about the all the formulas and how to do it, and so I should thanks to him for Ramsamy. So thank you.